I'm Steve Jackson. I'm the Health and Safety and Quality Manager here at Rubb, responsible for the day-to-day running of the health and safety, quality and environmental management systems, ensuring that the company policies and the safe systems of work adhered to throughout all the design, manufacturing and erection processes. This includes obviously writing the method statements and completing the risk assessments for all of the construction sites under our control, along with the construction phase plans, and compiling the health and safety files at the end of the job in line with the construction design and management regulations. Basically just making sure everybody's safe and well. From a health and safety point of view, it's a case of making sure that all of the rules and regulations are kept up to date. That's my biggest issue at the moment. It's an ever-changing world with regards to environmental impacts and everything associated with that as well. So trying to keep up to date with the new legislation that comes out, quality standards, making sure everything's kept up to date is the biggest thing. Biggest opportunities within Rubb is obviously moving through the ranks. I mean, myself is a big example of that. I started here in 1990 as an apprentice draftsman, moving up to design office manager in 2007. I then took over the quality system due to a retirement, and that was in 2011. Obviously from there, again due to retirements and aging workforce, I moved over, relinquished the role of the design office manager and took over on the health and safety. So from an opportunity point of view, the sky's the limit. You know, I'm a prime example of that. With regards to opportunities with the business as a whole, obviously the differences in technologies now is massive. A big thing with like the sustainable systems, LED lighting for electrics and stuff like that is where I see the company going in the future. Taking over the design office manager's role was a big thing, a real big thing. Taking control of a group of 5 lads under my wing, that was a bit challenging. But from there, we also moved into the R&D side of things. And the biggest one for me was the creation of the RES structure, or the EFASS as it's well known. Development of the 20 metre, then into the 25, and now moving forward into the 28 metre, which we're doing currently. So EFASS is the Expeditionary Forces Aircraft Shelter System. It's basically a containerised shelter that provides frontline support for military applications. The 20 metre especially, can be packed into a 20-foot ISO container in one, and that can be then flown or shipped anywhere in the world. It's then also being able to be rapidly deployed, mainly for frontline support. Moving on to the 25 metre, which was the second development on that structure. That's more for Chinook helicopters, bigger structures, Chinooks, Merlins, and then obviously from the 28, it's doing exactly the same thing, just it's obviously a bigger system, going into probably 5 or 6 containers, which is currently going through the R&D process at the moment. It's one of the ones that I like to look back on, and the relationships that we've forged through the MOD has been really seconding on that project. Obviously from the refurb side of things, it's a continuous side of the business. So that was one of the major highlights. It seemed to bring the whole workforce together, right from top to bottom, working closely with the production staff, also from the management side as well. It seemed to bring the whole company together.